Good morning, 8th graders. We are going to continue our discussion of the trial of Derek Chauvin. We've moved past the jury selection process and we are now going to move on to opening statements. So there's a few things we need to understand about what opening statements actually are. So first, according to the state court rules, opening statements only state the facts proposed to be proven in the case. So that means that both sides are going to sort of lay out what their intended ideas to prove will be.
The first group to give their opening statement on Monday was the prosecution. If you think back to our vocabulary, the prosecution is the group of lawyers attempting to prove that Derek Chauvin committed a crime in the state of Minnesota. They represent the state and the victim, George Floyd. The goal of the prosecution is to explain their entire case for the jury. This is kind of like a big outline or a summary for the jurors about what they intend to prove throughout the trial.
After the prosecution presents their opening statement, the defense takes over. Again, going back to our vocab, the defense is Derek Chauvin and his lawyer. The defense will explain their case for the entire jury. Just like the prosecution, the defense does this to lay out a big outline to make sure that they will try to prove or disprove what happened to the jurors. And so yesterday, both of these happened.
The next steps in the process we're going to start seeing the prosecution call witnesses. When they start calling witnesses, that's when they're going to start asking the witnesses to explain exactly what they saw on that day.
Again, lots of media coverage of this. All that the three of us ask for you to do is, if you're looking it up where to find some information, please use our credible news sources that we've listed on our Schoology pages.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.